Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel, and welcome to Las Americas here in Tenerife. We are here at Treasure Island Adventure Golf. Now, if you've seen my last video here, you'll have seen that we played the red course, but we paid for two courses. Now, you don't have to do both courses at the same time. You can come back within 7 days and play the second course if you like. So we played the red course last time, which is the more fun, easier course, and this time we're going to play the yellow course, which is more technical. So I'll put a link in the description down below for the last video, but come along and join us for the more technical yellow course here at Treasure Island Adventure Golf. On the way in, I need to do something for luck because I won the last time. Honk honk. So here we go, this is the start of the yellow course. Like I say, we've done the red course, the fun one last time. This one is apparently a little bit more technical and has a few hills in it. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Enjoying the sun there, El Capitan? Well done. Tell you what it is, I must have rubbed the wrong one before because I came in second, but there was some cheating going on. There were some shots that Tristan took that weren't counted, so technically I won. Anywho folks, there you have it. That is Treasure Island Adventure Golf here in Playa de las Americas, Tenerife. It's really good fun. It's only €2 extra if you want to do both courses. I can't remember, I think it was about 16 euros. I think it was about 14 euros for one course, 16 euros for two, or it could have been 14.50 and 16.50. I know it was only €2 extra. And you can return after 7 days and play the second course again. So you get 2 rounds for the 16 euros or 16.50. Anywho, I shall see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.